Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am taking your question and answer of chapter number 10. As we finish our chapter number 10 in a previous video, some question answers are there. First one is, correct the following statements and write them in your notebook. जो ये statements है 5 to 6 statements are there. You have to correct them and write them in your notebook. First one is, there are coffee plantation in Himachal Pradesh. You have to find out that this sentence is correct or not. Answer, there are coffee plantation in Kerala actually, not in Himachal Pradesh. Konkan lies in the eastern part of India. It's not true. Konkan lies in the western part of India. Tripura is the smallest state in India. Is Tripura is the smallest state? No. Goa is the smallest state in India, land-wise. The Sabarmati river flows through Madhya Pradesh. No, the Sabarmati river actually flows through Gujarat. The Sahyadri mountains are located in Andhra Pradesh. Sahyadri mountains are located in Maharashtra, in our state. Question number 2. Make a chart of state and the rivers flowing through them. आपको क्या करना है? You have to make a chart. आपको एक चार्ट बनाना है जिसमें आपको मेंशन करना है स्टेट. फिर उसके नीचे जो रिवर स्टेट में वो वाले स्टेट में मेंशन है, आपको ये वाले जो फर्स्ट पेज नंबर 44 पे जो मैप है, यू हैव टू टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ दैट मैप. द मैप नेम इज मेजर रिवर्स. Here in the chart you have to mention the state name first, then mention the rivers which are flowing through that state. Then next activity is collect information and pictures about any one state along the northern boundary of India. कोई भी एक state you have to find out and select from the northern boundaries of India. Make a presentation. आपको एक presentation बनाना है. I am the state of dash speaking. जो भी language, the language which is spoken in a particular selected state, जो state में जो language कही जाती है, find out which language are spoken in your surrounding. Mention the state, region to which they are related. First you have to choose a state which are located on the northern boundary of India. Then write a language which are spoken in that particular state. Nextly, then you have to find out the languages which are spoken in your surrounding. जो आपके surrounding में languages speak करते हैं लोग, you have to find out that and write with the region. Region के साथ आपको उसका क्या करना है, place के साथ उसकी speaking language जो है particular place की, you have to write in that activity. Totally we are learn about 4 maps in this chapter. Firstly, some cash crops and transport routes. जो ये वाला मैप है on पेज नंबर 49, हमने इसमें क्या स्टडी किया है? We studied about some cash crops and their transport routes. यहाँ पर आपको map key is mentioned. Then next map is for major rivers. Some river routes are given here with the state name, and nextly physical map of India is given here, from which we can find out the landforms located in a particular place. Last map is of our country India, is a simple map in which all the state names are given and all the union territories are mentioned. Some international boundaries are mentioned with the black dash and dot line. Some state boundaries are mentioned with the dash red line, and national capital is mentioned, and state capitals are mentioned. Capital of union territories are mentioned too. So completely we study about some maps of India. What we have learned? वी स्टडी इंडिया विद द हेल्प ऑफ मैप्स की हेल्प से हमने क्या किया है, स्टडी किया है इंडिया को. वी स्टडीड द लैंड फॉर्म्स एंड वाटर बॉडीज इन इंडिया. Different types of water bodies and landforms we studied in this chapter. Through activities we obtain information about the various languages. जो activities हमने किए हैं in this chapter, we learn about various languages of particular area, various dressing sense of peoples living in a particular area, festivals they are celebrating in different manners according to their place where they live, and other features of India. We identify some crops and transport routes with the help of map, as we mentioned before, as we learned before. We learn some crops which are located, which are grown in particular state, and their route of transport, of their route of transport through one state to another state. Now I completed your chapter number 10 here. Thank you.